Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in with Nikola Corporation. Again, clear support shelf right here. Let me mark that off actually. Let's see, horizontal line, let's mark it right about there. You should be able to see it now clearly. We're looking at the candle bodies between closes and opens repeatedly right there. That's a very key level to watch, about 63. So on a closing basis below 63. So you can dip down there, but we'll be watching for especially a 4-hour close below that. That will signal that this sideways move potentially could be in and we get lower prices. Then be watching about down to 58 and then if we did break below that, minor support coming in about 57, but major, then we'd be watching 53. It just hasn't been able to do anything. It's just drifting sideways. So let's check in on that daily chart. So we've had this opportunity. We have, remember the concept, 8 pushing the price, came in contact here, couldn't get traction. Still, it slightly favors an upside breakout. So watch for that, but this is just not able to push up. So the levels stay in the same place. But really, if it starts breaking down on that 4-hour chart, we'll watch for the bigger pullback. The key support on the daily is coming in about 61. So you have 63, you have 61. So that's your big support area. Below 61 on the daily, then we can watch the 4-hour levels, but then it's again that 53. And then if we break that 53, it's 48.03. That's going to be your major support on any pullback. Other than that, levels stay in the same to the upside if we do break out from yesterday. And we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.